Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a mortgage through Twoguysfinance. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste any time. Let's just jump into it. And the first thing you're going to do is to go to the Twoguysfinance website, and then you're going to click on mortgages, and then you're going to need to review the different mortgage options and just find the one that best suits your needs and choose that. And then you're going to click apply now, and then you're going to need to fill out the online application form. Now there you're going to provide documentations such as proof of income as well as identification. And once that's all complete, you just need to review, make sure everything is accurate, and then you're going to agree to the mortgages terms and conditions. But make sure you read through that well enough just so you know what you're getting into. And once that's done and submitted, you're going to receive a mortgage decision, and it could be approved or denied. But if it's approved, you're going to need to review and sign the mortgage documents. And once that's done, you're going to close on your mortgage, and you're going to receive the funds into your accounts. Now you can use Twoguysfinance's online banking platform or the mobile app to manage your mortgage payments. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a mortgage through Twoguysfinance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys